Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be planning the month of August in my Plum Paper hourly planner. Okay, so I'm a little bit late getting this month's monthly plan with me up, but the reason being is that I ordered my monthly kits from Chrissy Designs a little bit late, but now they are here. I actually went back and put the kit down for the month of July because I was so freaking excited that I also ordered July's, since that's when I really started using this planner regularly. So what I did was, and I actually have September's kit already as well. I have a couple of $2 Tuesday things and probably next week's kit in here as well because it's a summer kit, but Chrissy Designs does offer, let me get that sheet out of here too, plum paper sized monthly kits in the 7x9, which is fantastic, and they're great. And you can go ahead and order the custom event labels and just ask in the notes to have them match the monthly kit, which I think is amazing. I got that idea from Sam over at Happily a Housewife. So I'm really excited to finally have monthly kits for this planner. So let's go ahead and get started. So I got the stripes one for August, and I saw that she just released some more on her website. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. That's Thursday. Oh my goodness. I'm already messing this up. I also have my Celebrations collection binder close by because I want to include or incorporate some of those things as well. So I did go ahead and stick with the, man, this is going to be harder than I thought to get things down straight, but I'm going to do my best. Oh, that looks so good. I mean, it doesn't go all the way up to the top, but it looks really great. But I'm also going to use the date covers and all of that. It was just getting to be too much of a pain to switch it from a Sunday start to a Monday start. So what I'm kind of doing is using the top of the numbers as a guide to help me keep it straight, or as straight as I possibly can. That's kind of crooked because I can see a little bit of Wednesday right there, but we're not going to stress about it. All right, I'm going to put the this month down over here. And you guys know I adore Kristen stickers. So when I was like, oh my gosh, there are true plum paper kits out there, I was super excited. And she's had them for forever. So it's like not anything new, but it's new for me to feel like committed enough into this planner that I would order monthly kits. So I'm gonna leave like this little space on the column over here. The lines are like dotted lines, which I think are adorable. And I kind of like to use them as an accent. My goodness, I can get this done. Okay, that is super cute. And I like to leave the month there exposed. I mean, I might leave it like that. I might cover it up. Who knows? Because I think I have some things that I could cover it up with, but I think I'm just gonna leave it as is. All right, let's get the date covers down. These are so cute. I just love these colors together. It feels like the perfect transition from summer to fall because it's got like the orange in there and all of that stuff. And I don't know about you guys, but I am so ready for fall. I mentioned this in my Instagram stories that I'm primarily ready for fall simply because I live in an area where it's like summer like 8 months out of the year, and I'm over all of the heat. And as I've also said before, it has pretty much been raining like every single day. And on the days where it says like there's 0% chance of rain, it's a lie. It's going to rain. All right, date covers are down. All right, so let's grab I love these. These are so freaking cute. I feel like it gives the whole planner like a whole nother vibe, which I am totally here for. Also, I'm really enjoying these tweezers. I mentioned it in a previous video that I just grabbed these from Joann in the jewelry section for like $3 or $4. And I really just like using them for date covers because it saves time. So I do recommend getting a pair, especially ones that are angled. I don't know what it is. I could never get on board with like the regular tweezer type ones that were just like the straight ones. It's kind of personal preference, so just try out which ones that you think might work for you. All right, so let's get some paydays down because those are my favorite. So we've got one on the first, and I think I'll just use all of the dark pink for those. Okay, I think I wrote enough of those out. So we've got one on the first over here that already happened, and it probably happened on Saturday. I've got to go back and look. This is what happens when you film after the fact. All right, and then on the 15th, which is not going to happen on the 15th, it's actually going to happen on the 16th. And then the 31st, we'll put the 20th for YouTube. We will see. Sometimes it's a day later. And then let's add in Jesse's, which will be the 5th and the 19th. So I need one more. And now that I think about it, this entire spread, or this color, reminds me of candy corn, except there's no yellow. There's been an ongoing lovely debate about candy corn already, and I am totally here for it because I love candy corn. I think it's the best thing ever. You'll have to let me know in the comments what you feel about candy corn. I feel like it is a very hot topic and it can get very intense, or, you know, some people just get very passionate about candy corn, but I personally think that it is amazing and it should be a food group. So all right, got the paydays down. What I need to add in is this week Jesse will be out of town, and I'm going to go ahead and use these strips to market. I absolutely love these. I really don't need these very often, but it's helpful to have them, so we're just going to use this. And he's actually not going to be very far, but he wouldn't be able to come home every day. It's like one of those situations. Oh man. And of course I ripped my planner. It's not going to be perfectly straight. That is so annoying. Okay, let me get my cutter, and I can at least get that trimmed down and use the other orange, even if it's not the same exact orange, but I can get that down for the other half of the week. And I am filming this like super early in the morning before work, so I'm trying to get used to a new like filming situation because I won't always have the opportunity to film during the day, and that's just how it's got to be. But my job will allow me to be sometimes work from home. I just need to establish like my routine with all of that. Okay, so I think I'm going to use maybe this framed like pink event. Like, actually, let's use one of the bigger ones. And I'm just going to leave it blank because obviously I'm not going to share on the internet exactly where my husband is for that week of his work trip. So that will count for that. All right. Now we've got to add in a couple of spaces for birthdays, and I think that that's what I want to use those for. So we have on the 8th and on the 12th, and then I want to use some of these Steves. I have rulers everywhere. Where are these things coming from? To mark the birthdays, and I think that there's some extra ones maybe in the back for birthdays. I don't know, maybe I'm imagining that. Maybe not just some extra ones, but oh, there's these like different, but they don't match the kit. That's okay. I guess this purple one could match and this pink one could match. It's just there's some green in the balloons. It's not that serious, I suppose. Anywho, that's kind of cute. All right, so this will be for one birthday. Actually, let's do the purple on this one. And then the other birthday over here. And I'm sure I'm missing a few, but those are just for family. All right. So for some work events, I think I'm going to use this darker orange, and I have a couple of those that I need to add and kind of, you know, add in for the few days that I've already missed. And we had an event at work this week, so I'm going to kind of mark that over here with this strip that I'm going to try to not rip my entire page up with. It is a challenge. It's gonna be okay. I'm trying to not let that piece fall down so that I don't have to bust out the undo to get it back up. There's a method to my madness. All right, there's that. And I'm gonna use the other, let's use this. Nope, I'm trying to like alternate colors so that it's not like pink on pink. I'm probably overthinking it. And then I can mark the work event here. Not too bad. Okay. I think, nope, we have first day of school for Nathan here. I feel like, do you mark that for your kids for school? So what's funny is school started yesterday here, like for high school and below. And it was so weird, like driving through the school area. And I'm like, it's not the first day of school for us. This is very, very weird. So anywho, it's just little things that we have to get used to. So that is when he starts college. Super, super exciting. Whoops. I'm like not on my game. This is what happens when you're filming at like 6 in the morning. I think that that is it for the most part. I know that I keep saying, I think that that's it for the most part, but really that's it for now. I want to add in just some of the holidays that Kristen has in the celebrations binder for August. Let's see, this starts at August 15th. I love how she manages to make some things match and they look really, really good on the monthly. So I'm not going to put all of them in here, just the ones that I want to kind of match with the planner spread. Oh my God, I can put words together. All right, so August 2nd is coloring book day. I don't think I'm gonna put that one. August 3rd was watermelon day. I definitely want to do the water balloon day on the 6th because I think that that's really cute. Prosecco day on the 13th. I had no idea it had its own day. That's super cool. My friend Cynthia got me hooked on Prosecco. At first I was like, do I really need to try this? Yes, and it's amazing. All right, relaxation day is on the 15th. Let's skip over a few of these, and then waffle day is on the 24th. That definitely matches and it is super cute. So I'm definitely going to use that one as I almost knock over my camera. And even if National Dog Day doesn't match, I'm gonna put that one down on the 26th because y'all know that my dogs are like my kids. So we will put that here. And the 27th is like super crooked there, and I don't think that I can finish this plan with me and leave it like that. So let's just get out the undo. And one of the things that I have learned with vinyl stickers and undo is you don't want to rub the top of a sticker that has writing on it because it will smudge it and it will not be cute. So let me let that dry for a second and we will try to get that down a little bit more straight. All right, there we go. That is much better. I can live with that. All right, I'm sure I'm gonna have some things to add in here. Last month, I really tried to add a lot of like content things and I didn't really care for it as much as I thought I would. So I'm not gonna do that this time. I have all of my content stuff, my content planning, all of that in a completely different planner. And by the time you guys see this, you'll have already seen my content planner video, I think. So if it's already up, I will leave a link down below in the description box for you guys to check that one out. But I love this. I think that Kristen's kits are already amazing, and I love that now I can order kits for my plum paper in the 7x9 size. Alright guys, that is it for this month's monthly plan with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you're already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone!